Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2. And before we starting, I wanna show you that I customize some gestures, so I change left earbud for the double press and also left earbud to the triple press, and I will tell you later. So now, if you press 2 times at your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause it. 1, 2. And I play it. Yeah. And the touch area is located at the top. At the back side, at the top. Right here we have it. Now, if you press 3 times at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And if you press 3 times at your left earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it worked. Now, if you press 2 times at your left earbud, you will call voice assistant. I set up it. I have Apple device, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so then you will call Gemini. Now let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, my voice assistant is awake. Next, if someone called to you, you can press 2 times at your left or right earbud and you can answer the call with it. And then you can finish the call by pressing also 2 times at your left or right earbud. And also I set up right here press and hold to reject the call. So if somebody called to you, you just press and hold and you will reject the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!